Electroless coating is a metallization technique that can be applied to virtually any substrate material, including metals, non-metals, plastics, glass, wood, and even human hair. This process ensures a uniform coating on substrates of any geometry. Today, I'm presenting a video demonstrating the Electroless nickel-phosphorus coating on 3D printed ABS material, specifically for automotive applications. In the video, the black material is ABS and the white layer is nickel, which is evenly depositing on the ABS surface. You can also observe hydrogen bubbles, which result from the reduction reaction occurring at the substrate's surface. The deposited nickel layer not only enhances the mechanical and chemical properties of the ABS part, but also adds electrical conductivity and a visually appealing metallic finish. Electroless nickel-phosphorus coating is a highly versatile and effective method for improving the functionality and appearance of a wide range of substrates.